Lord, I filed this 482 petition.
Yeah, this is for quashing of an FIR.
FIR.
Let us look at the FIR itself, page number
Page
8.
number 8. The FIR.
What are the allegations in the FIR?
Initially, the allegations was under section 294, 323, 334, 341, and 506 of IPC. Later
Right.
on the basis of the additional statement and one application which was never existed, Your Lordship, on that basis, section 498A and section 3 and 4 of the Dahej Act was added.
इसको पास ऑन करने की फाइल आएगी
हाँ?
वो फाइल नहीं
फाइल नहीं है.
Last occasion also the file
Left
was
with
not
us.
there. If Your Lordship may kindly have last order.
अभी मैं पास ऑन आपको दे दें मैं तैयार कराएंगे
ये लोग सब टाइम.
Last order was also very specific.
So you are only aggrieved by the addition of 498A and provisions of the Dowry Prohibition Act. Is that right?
Basically, Your Lordship, I am agreed by whole of the FIR, but
Let us look
I'm-
at whether the initial FIR had the ingredients of the initial sections. Let us look at that.
yes,
Come to page number 11.
yes. मैं
Yes.
फरियादी ने मैं अपने पिता रूप सिंह भदौरिया के उपस्थित थाना आकर मौखिक रिपोर्ट किया कि दिनांक 11/10/2018 को दोपहर 2:30 बजे घर से पिंटो पार्क होकर महिला थाने जा रही थी। जैसे ही आर्मी क्वार्टर मैदान के सामने पहुंची तो मेरे पति आदित्य सिंह, सास किरण तथा ससुर शिवराज सिंह ने मेरा रास्ता रोका और बोले कि तुमने हमारे खिलाफ महिला थाने में जो शिकायत की उसे वापस ले लो, नहीं तो हम तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी बर्बाद कर देंगे। और माँ बहन की गंदी गंदी गालियाँ देने लगे। गाली देने से मना किया तो तीनों ने बाल पकड़कर नीचे पटक दिया और लात घूंसों से मारपीट की, जिससे मेरे सिर में, नाक में तथा बाएं पैर में चोट आई। मौके पर विनोद सिंह व लोकेंद्र सिंह तथा अन्य लोग आ गए। जाते समय तीनों ने धमकी दी कि आज तो छोड़ दिया, आइंदा थाने में रिपोर्ट की तो जान से ख़त्म कर देंगे, सो रिपोर्ट करता हूँ, कार्रवाई की जाए। दिस इज़ द इनिशियल एलिगेशंस।
All right. Then, so here the allegations are very specific and clear. She's given a date, she's given a time.
That
And
is-
she's told exactly where the place was, where the incident has taken place.
Lordship, what I am trying to,
Yes.
Your Lordship, my humble submission is that if Your Lordship may kindly see.
Have you filed the entire charge sheet?
Yes, Your Lordship.
You have
I
filed
have
the charge.
filed the entire charge sheet.
Just give me a moment. Have you filed the entire charge sheet?
Yes, Your Lordship, I have filed the entire charge sheet. If Your Lordship may kindly allow me.
I don't see the 161 statements.
Hello.
Where are the 161
Yes.
statements? Give me the
At
page
page
number.
number 29, Your Lordship.
All right, just a-
एज भर महीना
29. 29 is सूचना के आधार पर जो टेकना. What is this? Where are
I
the
have filed the
statements?
charge sheet with a
Charge sheet-
separate IA, Your Lordship,
Charge-
because
charge sheet का-
Yeah,
when I
looking at
filed.
that. Yes, it's come with the IA. Is there chance of a settlement in this case,
If your
the husband and
lordship
wife?
may kindly- If your lordship may kindly have annexure A6.
Sir, any children from the marriage?
No, Your
No issues for the marriage?
I'm not sure about it.
Okay.
Can you keep it after lunch? I will ask my client and after that I will give
If
you.
you are
Lordship, this-
willing to go for mediation, if there's a chance of saving the marriage,
Your lordship,
I submit
this
that-
matter was already listed for mediation. If your lordship may kindly have page annexure A6 on this honorable court.
annexure A6.
Page
Page number?
I filed that with a separate IA, but it is annexure A6, IA, page number 25 of that IA. IA number 30734/2021. Honorable Court has
Oh,
observed.
there's already, you're not willing for a compromise because he's said to be
She
having
herself
an
is
affair
not
with
willing.
another lady.
I submit that in this case, it is the order sheet dated 7th of November 2019.
Yes.
I pray that now 4 years, around 4 years has passed.
Lordship,
Kindly
if
give
your
me an
lordship may
opportunity by
kindly,
that I may contact my client and ask her that what she desires.
So it's been pending for a long time, 2018,
I
you
pray
want to
that only
dispose
2
it
days
out.
time may be given to you.
Seriously,
your lordship, if
why not the initial complaint as far as the allegations that are made in the FIR?
Your lordship, if your lordship may kindly allow me for 1 minute. What has happened in this matter, your lordship? The marriage was solemnized on 23rd of January 2013, your lordship. And both the couples are living separately as per their own section 9 application which was filed before the family court Gwalior. In para number 5, I have filed that application as annexure A13. They were separated on 5/9/2015, and after almost
After
more than 3 years
5/9/2015, living separately.
living separately, your lordship, after more than 3 years, they have registered a case against me.
FIR is registered on?
Initially, she filed a complaint before Mahila Thana on 2/9/2018, your lordship, where she herself made a statement wherein there was no allegation of either the offense comes under section 498A of or Dahej Act, your lordship. Later on, I have filed a divorce petition on 12/9/2018 after 7 to 8 days of that complaint. Thereafter,
When was the divorce petition?
the divorce petition is at annexure A3, your lordship, along with my petition. Thereafter, just to pressurize me,
Date of the petition for
date of
divorce?
the petition is
Month and year would be sufficient.
12th of September 2018. your lordship.
Where did you file this?
I have filed this in Bangalore because we both are living, were living in Bangalore. We both was the working professional. Later on 11th of October 2018, when I was present in Mahila Thana, this is the date which was mentioned by the complainant in her FIR also, that the incident was took place on this date only. When I have received the information, then when offense was registered against me, the FIR was lodged on 25th of
11/10/2018, you were in the Mahila Thana.
I was in the Mahila Thana along with my father. My mother was also not there. This FIR got registered on 25th of October 2018 after 14 days delay of the incident. Your Lordship.
24,
25th of October 2018, this FIR was registered against me after 14 days delay. There is no reasonable explanation.
delay in the registration of an FIR cannot be a ground for quashing it.
Then also, Your Lordship,
It can be
In her-
it can be a factor that can be looked into by the learned trial court in the course of evidence
indeed, Your Lordship,
with regard to the conduct of the complainant.
Lordship, she was present on 22nd of October 2018
हाँ
in Mahila Thana.
22nd की 11:10 you had mentioned
11:10 I was there,
हाँ
and because the proceedings were going on in Mahila Thana for reconciliation.
all right
She was present on 22nd of October 2018 in Mahila Thana, as it is evident from her own statement recorded before Mahila Thana.
हाँ.
I have filed the type copy of the same as annexure A5,
हाँ
wherein it has came that आवेदिका आज दिनांक 22/10/2018 को परामर्श केंद्र में अपने पिता के साथ परामर्श केंद्र में उपस्थित हुई। अनावेदक को नोटिस, because I was not there, so the proceedings was adjourned. Here also there was no allegation even with regard to this FIR or with regard to the subsequent statement.
FIR was registered on 25/10/2018
But the incident was held on 11/10/2018.
11:10 all right but I can't look into whether or not that incident happened merely because there's a delay in the registration of an FIR. Like I said earlier, that can't be a ground for quashing an FIR.
Then, Your Lordship, if
That
Lordship
is
may
also-
kindly allow me, I would do not like to press all those things. I would specifically press the charges which was later on added on as 498.
498 Dowry Prohibition Act.
Dowry provision.
That is all. So that means, as far as you're not asking for an entire quash of the FIR.
If Your Lordship, that will be looked by the learned trial court.
That also can be looked by the learned trial
No, Your
court, the
Lordship,
stage
because
of
my
paying
case is
charges.
prima facie is very good
All
on
right.
that aspect, Your Lordship. Because there is, if Your Lordship may kindly go by the bare perusal of the FIR, that FIR itself does not have any ingredient which constitute an offence under section 498.
That's
and
not
the-
there. That's not.
Later on, one additional statement was taken.
When was that date of that statement?
The additional statement was taken 24 of 2019
24
of 2019
20 4
20 2019 से
2019
2019
supplementary statement.
supplementary statement was taken on the basis of one thing, that she said that she had filed one application on 12th of October 2018 after one day of the incident.
12th of
18
October
next day of the incident.
2018 she had filed an application.
She had filed an application
Before whom?
before police station,
Yes.
where she has alleged that she has also given a statement with regard to the asking of the dowry, and I have filed an RTI with respect to that, whether such application was ever submitted by the complainant or not. The department first given me the wrong information, and later on
Where is the
annexure A12, Your Lordship.
A?
12. Next page of A12, page number.
A9 पेज नंबर बताइए सर.
Page number 45 of IA number 307.
पेज नंबर 45.
Of IA number 30734.
आपके द्वारा सूचना के अधिकार के अनुसार से पुलिस अधिकारी स्वयं सो क्या प्रस्तुत आवेदन पत्रानुसार थाना गोला के मंदिर से जानकारी की सत्यापित प्रति चाहिए गई. उक्त संबंध में सर्किल के थाना प्रभारी गोला का मंदिर से प्रतिवेदन प्राप्त किया गया, जिसमें उनके द्वारा लेख किया गया है कि आवेदिका स्वयं सो 12/10 को थाना गोला का मंदिर पर शिकायत रजिस्टर के लिए अवलोकन पर आवेदिका का कोई शिकायत आवेदन
क्योंकि
देना
initially
नहीं पाया गया है, इसलिए आपको स्वयं सो जावर प्रमाण नहीं. ये 2013
yes, Your Lordship.
उससे पहले 10/9 का है. हाँ? उपरोक्त दिशांतर्गत स्वयंसो द्वारा चाही गई जानकारी बिंदु आवेदक के द्वारा लेख किया गया है कि आवेदन द्वारा कि थाना में ये है कि थाना शिकायत रजिस्टर के अवलोकन से या आवेदिका अवलोकन पर आवेदिका समूह के द्वारा कोई शिकायती आवेदन देना नहीं पाया गया, इसलिए आवेदक को आवक जावक क्रमांक एवं जांच रिपोर्ट देना संभव नहीं है। फिर क्या हुआ? दो बार आपको
क्योंकि
हाँ
इनिशियली कोई ना तो दहेज के संबंध में ना ही दहेज के लिए प्रताड़ना के संबंध में कोई एलिगेशन इनिशियली आ पाया, तो फॉर दी पुटिंग प्रेशर ऑन मी द कंप्लेनेंट हैड played this tactic as on the basis later on one complaint was filed in a back date wherein the police authorities, the SDO has directed the police authorities to take additional statement.
Where is
And-
that? When? How do you say it is given
Yes.
back date, and where is that document?
CSP Gwalior at page number 35
CSP page number
35 of the later on in the charge sheet.
35. प्रथम अपील है वो. What is
Lordship,
it? सूचना
along
क्या
with the
दिखा?
charge sheet document.
I'm looking at the charge sheet documents only.
In continuance of the charge sheet itself at page number 35.
Page number
35 of the charge sheet document that was filed separately with the IA.
That's first appeal.
After the additional statement, Your Lordship, that page is after the additional.
Where's the additional statement? Page number.
Page number 33 of the IA,
Which IA? Is that IA starting from page number 35 onwards?
32 onwards, Your Lordship. One list of.
Is it IA number 30734? Additional facts and documents and record? No.
Copy of charge sheet I have filed with one with list of documents, Your Lordship.
Page number 35. Is it?
35 of the charge sheet.
35 of the charge sheet. Yes, this is 25 to 2019.
Yes, Your Lordship.
लेख अपराध क्रमांक सो एंड सो केस डायरी का अवलोकन मेरे द्वारा किया गया। फरियादी के द्वारा जैसा बोला वैसे प्रथम सूचना दर्ज नहीं की गई। इस संबंध में आवेदिका के द्वारा थाना गोला मंदिर दिनांक 12/10/2018 को एक लेखी आवेदन पत्र दिया गया था। इसके पश्चात भी विवेचना के दौरान उक्त आवेदन पत्र का विचार नहीं किया गया। उक्त आवेदन पत्र के आधार पर फरियादी व अन्य साक्ष्यों के पुनः कथन लेख कर साक्ष्य के आधार पर अपराध में सो इजाफा किया जावे। वह अपराध का विवेचना की जाकर अपराध का निराकरण जल्दी किया। दिस इज 11 FIR is dated 25/10.
Yes, sir.
Her application was even before her application 12. When was the FIR registered?
25th of October 2018, Your Lordship. ये चार्जशीट का पार्ट है, चार्जशीट का पार्ट है ये डॉक्यूमेंट। कभी दिया है, कभी दिया ही नहीं है। 25 अक्टूबर 2018।
Where is that written? 12-10 का
12-10 का चार्जशीट के साथ में ही है, पेज नंबर 19 ऑफ द चार्जशीट होगा,
पेज नंबर
19 ऑफ द चार्जशीट। दिस
एक मिनट What's wrong with that letter?
This letter, what I am submitting, Your Lordship, my humble submission is that this letter was never existed, as it is supported by RTI application, reply given in RTI application, and these section 498A and Dahej provisions was added on the basis of this
Just a
application
moment,
only.
just a moment, just.
Which
When was the charge sheet filed?
charge sheet was filed, Your Lordship, on 3/6/2019.
3/4,
3/6/2019.
3/6/19. When was your application under the RTI?
My RTI application was RTI application 21 में RTI application दी
21 में RTI 2019 में चार्ज शीट फाइल हुआ. आप ट्रायल कोर्ट के आगे कब अपियर हुए? After charge sheet was filed.
Sir, on first opportunity we appeared.
Huh?
On first opportunity itself we appeared.
When was that? Which year?
In 2019, I
In
think.
2019.
Yes, sir.
You were given the charge sheet on that date itself.
आपको charge sheet मिल
You were given the charge sheet in 2019 itself.
Yes, sir.
And this document is a part of that charge sheet in
Yes, sir.
2019 itself.
Yes, sir.
So what was the reason for you to move an application in 2021?
Sir, we were trying to get information about this document because
The
there was
document
no
is already
seal
there in
sign.
the charge sheet.
There was no seal sign or any authority.
Now, this is a disputed question of fact. You move step aside. I'm asking him now. You're given adequate information. This is a disputed question of fact. Now, whether this has been sent later on, it is there in the charge sheet.
It is in the charge sheet.
I can't now come to a conclusion here in the 482 proceedings whether it has been placed earlier or before. That is only for the trial court to look into it after taking evidence.
Your Lordship, what the proceedings which was going on before the Mahila Thana as well, there also there was no allegation of the Dahej provisions, and
She
the
writes
Mahila
for
Thana
the
also
first-
filed a report.
Her injuries are corroborated by the MLCO of 25th of December 2018 on the date on which she has filed the FIR.
वो
Her medical examination is also she suffered a contusion, abrasion and a healed lacerated wound on the occipital side of the head. That's the back of the head. She was struck. She suffered an injury which has resulted in a lacerated injury. So it's the medical documents are corroborating her allegations prima facie.
There is no delay. There is no delay in medical.
There is no delay. It's 11:10. Look, as far as the delay is concerned, it is not a ground for quashing of an FIR. A
I'm
delay in registration of the FIR.
I am not even
Manoj.
pressing that point, Your Lordship. What I am trying to
Subsequent 498, you're saying subsequent 498A and 3 and 4 are Dowry Provision Act.
if we go by this application itself, Your Lordship,
Yes.
this application says कि ये 11/10/2018 के इंसिडेंट के बारे में भी बताती
वो कहती है कि 12/10 को
और-
मैंने टाइप कर दिया, मगर 22/10 को जो मीडिएशन के सामने हम लोग को अपीयर करना था, इस वजह से मैं असमंजस में पड़ गई, which is natural. Whether she needs to wait till 22/10.
No, this application was filed on 12/10/2018.
12:10. She says at 12:10. She says कि come to page number 21.
Yes.
घटना दिनांक 11/10/2018 को मैं डर गई, अकेली थाना नहीं गई. दिनांक 12/10/2018 को में आवेदन अपने घर पर टाइप किया, परंतु मीडिएशन में 22/10/2018 तारीख लगी थी. इस आशय से कि पत्नी आदित्य से सेंगर परामर्श में समझ जाएंगे और हमें ले जाएंगे, सो असमंजस में रही. माँ ने यही कहा, पिता घर पर नहीं थे, गांव से उनके आने के इंतजार में रही, सो रिपोर्ट में विलंब हो रहा है. कृपया वैधानिक कार्रवाई करने का कृपा करें. 12/10. Now this is dated 12/10/2018.
Which
All
means,
right.
Your Lordship, either if we draw a conclusion with the last paragraph, Your Lordship.
I can't, these are disputed questions of fact. Now, I can't carry out a mini trial here under 482.
That, Your Lordship, what I am humbly submitting, Your Lordship, that ये जो 12/10 का जो एप्लीकेशन है, फर्स्ट टाइम एलिगेशन कब आया विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू दी cruelty with respect to the 498A?
FIR is on 2510.
Yes, Your Lordship.
This is typed out on 12/10/2018 and given before that.
I am married in 2013, Your Lordship. Since then we are
You're
living,
married on
and
2013.
we are living separately from 2015, Your Lordship.
There is every reason to believe that even though this is typed on